Editing a video in Simplified is easy. First, you'll click on the video. Then, select the More button represented by these three dots. From there, a menu will pop up on your right-hand side with a variety of editing options. You can click these scissor icons and trim your video to however long or short you want it to be. You can clone the video, add an animation, and lock it to wherever you would like it to be displayed on your artboard. Additionally, you can change the appearance, including its opacity, the angle that it's presented, and even its skew. You can also change its position on the page itself. You can drop shadow, or add a stroke. And of course, once you're done, all you have to do is click Export in the top right-hand corner, select which format you'd like to download it as. I recommend video, and then select Export Now. To learn more about editing videos on Simplified, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.